Hello, Terry. It is Brandon from the Nanaimo Honda. Here's a video of the two cars that we have that are smallest Hondas. This one is a used Honda, so it is our 2016 Honda Fit that I spoke to you about with 160K. Here's a look. It's a beautiful blue, super compact car, but it still has a very nice amount of space. So here's a look at what the interior looks like. If you'd like to know a little bit of history about this vehicle, the customer who gave this to us used to live in the Northwest Territories and then moved down here and ended up getting a bigger vehicle because they just needed a bit more space. So here's a look. There's currently a cargo cover on this that you can take off and get a little bit more space out of. Another cool thing about this car is that these have what are called Honda Magic seats. So you can fold these seats forward and then fold this down and get a bunch of space out of there. Or if you'd like, you can also fold these seats up. It's a pretty nifty feature that they do have. As as for features, this one has stuff like a sunroof and Bluetooth and cruise control. You've got an option here. There's an Honda oil and maintenance minder, so it'll tell you when to do all your servicing. You've got a backup camera, and you've also got what's called a lane watch camera. There's a little camera right on this windshield, or not windshield, sorry, window, not window, mirror, sorry, on the mirror, and it shows you what's on your right side, so you don't smoke any bikers. There's not one on the left though, because the left shoulder check's easy to make, but the right one is a little bit harder. So you've got that lane watch camera, eco mode. Again, these things are very small, very fuel efficient. That is what they are made for. Heated seats, and definitely a bit smaller than your Ranger. I'll also get you a look at what the 2026 brand new Honda Civic would look like. And here is a look at our brand new 2026 Honda Civic LX. So this is the price for the base model one that I mentioned to you. It is a base model, but it's still very equipped with features because Honda, especially safety features, because Honda doesn't like to skimp on safety. Here's your fuel economy for this one, 6.7. It can go down to 5.0 if you do opt for a hybrid version of the Civic. But here's a look. Trunk space. It's hard to tell in video, but it's a pretty darn spacious trunk. Even for people-wise, you can comfortably fit 5 people. Here's a look at what the interior looks like. And a start up here. You get a nice screen, Bluetooth. You get wired Apple CarPlay, so you can display maps on this screen. These, as I mentioned, come with all the standard Honda safety sensing features like adaptive cruise control and lane keep assist. You get blind spot monitors in the window, so anyone who is between 5 and 20 meters behind you will make your blind spot monitors light up orange and flash and beep at you if you try to signal over. Electronic parking brake, standard air conditioning controls, heated seats. And right now I have this seat set up pretty comfortably for me. I'm about 6 foot. And here's a look at how much space I have in the rear seat of this. So my head is almost touching the top here, but for knee room, I got amazing space to really stretch out and feel good. So Small car, compact, good on gas, and there's also many trim levels to this Honda Civic that are available. So this one has 16 kilometers on it. The Fit has 160 kilometers on it. Whenever I'll see you down to take a look at a Honda, please let me know which one you'd like to see first, and I would love to see your Ford Ranger because it sounds like quite a gem. Thank you for watching. Bye.